So we're going to start with installing our upper corner. You guys will obviously have a whole window, and typically the window's installed with a guy on the inside, guy on the outside, and so you can set your window and your reveal evenly and get your window plumbed and leveled. In my case, it's just me, so I've screwed some 1/2-inch spacer blocks in here for clarity. What's important is that when the window is set, these Capital Glass windows should be about a 1/2-inch space all the way around. I just put some plywood in here so I can maintain a 1/2-inch space for the video. So the idea is I bed my window frame. And I can see the bare bond squeezing out, you know, through the holes. That's good. When you set your window, you want that nice fat bead, ideally so that it's kind of in line with where the holes are to mount the window. What I'm using is a really low profile, I believe it's called a modified truss head screw. Call them pan head screws, minor Phillips. They have a wood thread. The idea is you want a fastener that doesn't have a lot of buildup that's going to interfere later with installing your J-trim. Just pin this in 2 spots. And then just to simulate, we'll also install here on the bottom. And that'll give us something to look at later when we start insulating and sealing from the inside. Our next step is going to be to finish flashing the window on the exterior.